one. Can I see your face? Okay.
Okay.
That's good.
Be sure to water the rest of the soil. Move it around. And then the next one already.
Where'd you get that from? Oh. Okay. Next one naman, baby. Yan. Okay. Can she do this sa veranda? It's too high. Oh,
Yes.
too high. It's okay. Alright.
Okay. Watch where you're stepping.
So many leaves. Okay, can you look here, baby? Oh. Can you tell me what you're doing? Look here. Smile. Yeah, very good. So cute. Okay, next. Alright, that's enough. You can move here, baby. Move here na lang to the other side. Hmm? Were you looking at me? Why? Another what?
Plant?
Yeah, another plant. That's enough. Sana may roller yun.
Yeah.
Huh? What did you say?
Wish there was a ruler,
Roller.
so you can just pull the bucket.
What's roller?
Wheels.
Wheels.
Underneath.
Watch it. Go ahead. Move on to the next one.
Did you water that one?
No.
Not yet. Yeah. These last two, they're dry. They're pretty dry. Nice work, baby.
Yeah, put a lot of water.
And also this one, you skip that one, baby.
Oh yeah, this one right here.
Very good, baby.
It's almost done.
The water? Oh, it's halfway. Okay, that's enough, baby. Can you do this one last? Mina? Mina? That's overwatering na. It will drown. The plant will drown, yeah. That one. And this one, the last one na.
I'm attacking.
Oh, that's enough, baby. It's over, Mina. Overwatering na yan. Yeah. Too much. You'll see the soil. Oh, there.
It's raining.
When you sing to the plants, they said they will grow, they'll be happier and they'll grow faster.
Closer.
Alright. Actually, that's the last one.
Yes, those.
Alright. Very well done, baby. That's it na. Ma-overwater na siya. Yeah, it's fine. That's done. Do you know how to turn it off?
That's spicy.
Okay.
Turn it off. Good job, baby.
This one. And then what you can do with that one.
Okay. Can you carry it? Okay. Did Daddy tell you where to put it? Enough na. Alright, thank you.
Like my hair.
Thank you.